Welcome everybody, I am Luca Mianelli and I am the account manager for English and Chinese speaking markets for Tomassi Galanti. Today I will be introducing you to one of our tools dedicated to preparing and drafting kitchen designs drawings. The dedicated program is called Kitchen Draw and is freely available at the website www.kitchendraw.com. So once you've downloaded the program and you've asked for a request to have the access, we will give you a confirmation email, and then you will enjoy the program and you will see how it works. Once the Kitchen Draw program has been installed on the desktop, a dedicated icon will appear and you can launch the program by double-clicking on it. As we access a program, the first thing to do is press on the top left corner New File, and then insert all data and information related to the shop, so the quotation number, as well as the reference of the person who is involved in preparing the file, and then all other parts of it. Then press OK to move forward, and then select the Tomassi Galanti Gear Collection catalog from the menu, then the main door model, as well as all finishing types and all technical features related. Once the Tomassi Galanti's Gear Collection is selected, now we have to move forward and select all models and finishings related to the kitchen project we are working on. So go to door and hardware for the kitchen, and it means hinges and also baskets and all other parts related. Then handles for doors and drawers or baskets alike. Then the case, the whole kitchen carcass, and the plinth and the countertop. Since our company's products are highly customizable and we do provide you with several categories of products from 1 to 12, we offer the possibility to choose between several materials, finishings and processings, and this implies that there's a wide range of options, and we remind you of paying great attention while doing this. In fact, we have products ranging from the lacquered matte doors to materials with marble, for example the Calacata oro or galvanic oro, with price as well changing, for example, by increasing 5 times. And so again, please pay attention. Now we have to proceed configuring the rest of the kitchen by creating all walls and all the rest for the final layout, and we have to insert all measurements and dimensions for the final project, and we have to be careful by selecting all information related to the ground and the ceiling, as well as all other elements to be implemented in the project. As the Tomassi Galanti Gear Collection catalog is open, we can now select all the base units we are willing to insert in our kitchen project, and in doing that we can get the code from either the catalog or the menu provided on the software, and then paste it in the dedicated search bar to get all the prototypes and all the units needed, and then get the product and drag it into the window open to have all the layout. And if you want to add other elements, we can just repeat the same operation as many times as we want, and then see the final result with all the units ready. And what's more,
No, mi ripeti l'ultima frase perché mi è entrato un discorso.
sì, scusami.
Sono le ultime due frasi.
Okay, and if we want to add any other elements in the layout, we can repeat the same operation as many times as we want, and then we can also see that if we drag all the elements just on the wall and we overlap it with others, the paste operation will execute automatically. Let's insert some more units in the kitchen, for example some wall units or tall units, and let's see all the 4 views for the kitchen layout, starting with the linear one, then with the color view, the 2 dimensions view and the 3D view also for the final render of the kitchen. Then some other retouching operations on the plant and the layout for another configuration of the kitchen. And now let's move to position the countertop and plinth automatically, and let's go on with the customization of some units, for example with the tall unit. And to see the final result, we can then go back to the view option and select the one we prefer to get the very best from the project we've been working on. And finally, if we want to give the project a real ambience, we can choose lights and colors and also adjust some settings, for example contrast or brilliance or colors as well. And that's all. That's the very best that we can do with the program. As we get in the quotation drafting section, we will see a table showing all data and information for each element included in the project. And with the layout set, we will see all the elements codes based on the price list, as well as the description for each element, each item, and all prices as well. And just to make an example, as we've selected the category 12 with all materials, so products, finishings and processings, with the highest quality and the also difference with all the rest from all categories, the price amounts to about 35,000 euros. And if we change models and finishings with the materials as well, the price will decrease considerably to about 6,000 euros, and the difference comes with the high customization option provided by Tomassi Galanti's company. This is our selling point because compared to others, we offer our customer with the possibility to choose as many things as they wish to, and so the prices change and the prices change according to our customers' choices. So just mind and pay attention about that. But again, if we get the highest quality products and then we change, the price changes accordingly. Now let's see how the file will be sent. Before doing this action, we have to save the project on the top left corner by clicking on the button Save, then open a folder, select the project, then Archive, save the file onto the PC's desktop, and then by using the Tomassi Galanti's company email, send all the file with all attached material. Now let's see how a received project is by giving a glance on an example, on a sample by our reseller. Entering the kitchen drawer file on the kitchen drawer software, we'll see how it is drafted and how the kitchen is configured, and then by going into the PDF versions, will have access to both the presentation and the quotation with all prices and the reference of the order. All numbers listed on the two presentations refer to each item included in the layout, and there's a correspondence which will let us know what each item is and all the code and prices referred.